Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a project on your workspace or how to delete a workspace on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So of course, from here, you just go here to the URL, type asana.com and hit the enter button. So here you would like to wait a bit until the page correctly loads, and as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen. So from here, you would like first of all to log in into your account. If you don't have an account though, all you need to do, just go and create an account, and you can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? Anyway, so as we said, if you want to delete a project on your workspace, all you need to do first of all is to have some projects on your workspace. So let's say as an example, for me here I have three projects, but let's say as an example you don't have any projects here. So of course you have two options if you want to create a new project, or three even. If you are here at the home screen, you can just go here and click as create projects. You can choose blank projects, use a template, or even import a spreadsheet. Or you have the option here of clicking at create, then click at project, or the simple or the last option, which is here. Just go to your company name and click at the plus icon right here, then click at choose whatever projects you want from here. So let's say as an example, you already created your projects, and let's say as an example you would like to delete this project because this project is not interesting anymore, or you're done with it. So all you need to do, just go to the projects and click at the three dots at the right of the name of the project. Then when you click on it, you will have this option which is delete projects. If you click on it, as you can see, they will tell you this will delete all of this. If you want to read this carefully, then click at delete. So of course, if you regret it, you can click at undo, but this undo will disappear soon, maybe in 20 seconds or something like that. So if you regret your choice, make sure to click at undo. So if I click at undo here, my projects will be back. But if you want to delete it permanently, just don't click at undo, click at X, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.